Hi friends, welcome back to the Alphabet Adventure. Today we're learning about the letter K.
This is the letter K. K makes the sound
K.
Like in kite. Can you say it with me?
K.
Great job. Look, here's a kite. Kites fly high in the sky on windy days. Have you ever flown a kite before? Now meet the kangaroo. Kangaroos hop around with their big feet. Can you hop like a kangaroo? And here's a king. Kings wear shiny crowns. Can you wave like a king or queen? Hello, Your Majesty. Which of these starts with K? Is it the kite? Or the tree? That's right. Kite starts with K. Kite. Kangaroo. King.
Let's pick up a book and read it now.
Katy the kangaroo kicks. Katy the kangaroo loves to play. She kicks a red ball with her big feet. The ball bounces back to her. Kick, 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 says Katy. This is fun. K is for kangaroo. K is for kick.
Today, we learned all about the letter K. Kite. Kangaroo. King. Next time, we'll learn the letter L. Can you think of a word that starts with L? See you soon, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more alphabet adventures.